Wiring up multiple work lights shouldn't be a headache, from finding the right components, soldering, heat shrinking, making sure it's all waterproof, and then if you want to add more later, you've got to cut and splice into existing wiring. It's just a mess. And that's why we've designed a quad output flex harness. Our new quad output flex harness is a plug and play system that is fully assembled and ready to go right out of the box. It powers 1 to 4 work lights from a single clean circuit, which means that you can add 1 to your vehicle today and 3 tomorrow without any rewiring required. Unlike other harnesses that have long power leads that extend from the relay itself and end up being an absolute bird's nest inside the engine bay if you don't use any, our design keeps it nice and short and efficient with 4 DT main points coming directly from the relay. The included 5-meter extension cables are long enough to reach to the back of the vehicle or run anywhere around the roof rack without leaving unnecessary wiring in the engine bay. And of course, any DT plugs can be tucked away nice and hidden, which means that they're ready to be used should you wish to expand down the track. So whether it's going to be canopy lighting, roof rack lighting, or even tray illumination, the quad output flex harness is ready to evolve with your build. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a fully plug and play setup, which includes a 40 amp relay, a 20 amp inline fuse, 4 Deutsch DT plugs, 4 5-meter DT extensions, and an in-cabin rocket switch. All pre-assembled, ready to install, no splicing, no extra tools, and of course, no guesswork. Okay, so here's how easy it is to wire up the quad output harness and get up to 4 lights easily up and running. So first, let's connect the red terminal to your battery's positive post. After that, you want to mount the relay close to the battery or the fuse box. With the isolation switch, just remember exactly how it's wired up, with the black going to the gold terminal, blue on the opposite and red in the middle. The reason why is you want to route that switch through the firewall and mount it neatly inside your cabin. After you've done that, grab your extensions and plug them into the DT outputs from your relay and then run them to each work light location on the vehicle. Once you've done that, just connect the negative terminal to the battery post and you're done. All right, once that's nice and tight, grab your isolation switch, flick it on, and you've got a work light that's powered up. It's just that simple, clean and easy, and the system can evolve as your build does. If you do have any questions on which is the best harness for you, which work lights you want on your vehicle, how to run them, whatever it may be, email us at sales@altiq.com.au or click the link in the description to head to our website.